Alright, so let's take a moment and talk about mechanical defects. At the current moment, I'm a company driver, and this is my company truck, and it is a Kenworth T680 with a piece of shit pack car engine. It sucks. But I wanted to bring to light another problem that this truck seems to have as an ongoing issue. At the current moment, cruise control's off, so I don't even know why that popped up. But it's 34 degrees outside, and my headlights are on. Kind of see them reflecting off the Swift right next to me. Alright, so headlights are on. See? On in the dash. Now, I'm going to flick the high beams. And this is going to be kind of interesting because you'll notice something very interesting about it. It's another problem with this piece of shit truck. Yep. Flicking the high beams. And just turn the light on so you all can see that I'm actually... Now when I flick it forward, you'll notice that the lights dim down. But when I pull it back, they don't go up. And the high beam light does not come on the truck or the in-dash because it's supposed to be right in here. So, another problem with this piece of shit Kenworth T680. Highly recommend, if you become an owner-operator, do not get one of these fucking trucks. They are shit. Sorry, Kenworth. You used to make nice trucks back in the day. Not anymore. So, off, turn the lights off, it'll dim up. Now what's interesting is if you turn it back on, let's see if it'll do it now. It'll do it now. So this happens, I would probably say about 1 every 15 times. The other thing that'll happen is I will turn the headlights on from an off point, okay, and it'll look like it'll just be blank. All the way, the gauge and the dials, they won't have a backlight, and the only thing I'll be able to see is this up here in this display. So these lights, on occasion, will just fail as well. So it just seems to be an ongoing issue. The Kenworth T680s have a lot of mechanical problems, and I'll see if I can catch another time when I have another issue. One of the other things about this truck is the Kenworths have rear axle issues. That's another problem, and the electronic control that enables the engine retarder or jake brakes or engine brake does not work correctly. So for some reason, every now and then the jake brakes will go out, engine brakes will go out, and you won't have them. I got caught on top of a mountain in West Virginia, 78,000 pounds, full of beer. And yeah, no engine brake to get down the mountain, and it was not a bad one. I mean, you know, not like out west or anything like that, but still a little nerve-wracking, to say the least. So, but yeah, T680, piece of shit truck. And if you notice, I mean, it's not like this one thing's rode to death. I mean, it had 124,000 miles on it. It's still damn near a brand new truck. You know, hasn't been worked over, hasn't had an inline or anything like that. It's just a fucking piece of shit truck.